Your tires are the sole connection between your vehicle and the road, playing a critical role in safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. Yet, many drivers overlook two fundamental maintenance practices that significantly extend tire life and improve your driving experience: tire rotation and wheel alignment. In this guide, we'll demystify these essential services, explaining why they're crucial and how they keep you safe on the road. Tire rotation is vital because tires wear differently depending on their position on your vehicle. Front tires often bear more weight and handle steering, leading to faster wear on their shoulders. Rear tires, especially on front-wheel drive vehicles, tend to wear more evenly but can develop different patterns. Regular rotation ensures that each tire experiences all wheel positions over its lifespan, promoting balanced wear across all four tires. So, when should you rotate your tires? Most manufacturers and tire experts recommend rotation every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or every 6 months, whichever comes first. A good rule of thumb is to have them rotated with every oil change, making it an easy maintenance item to remember. However, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific recommendations, as some vehicles might have different requirements. The how of tire rotation involves strategically moving your tires from one wheel position to another. The goal is to ensure each tire wears uniformly, maximizing its usable tread depth and overall lifespan. This isn't just about moving front to back. Specific patterns, often dictated by whether your vehicle is front wheel, rear wheel, or all-wheel drive, are followed for optimal results. Common rotation patterns include the forward cross for front-wheel drive vehicles, where front tires move straight back and rear tires cross to the opposite front position. For rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive cars, a rearward cross might be used, where rear tires move straight forward and front tires cross to the opposite rear. Directional tires, however, must maintain their rolling direction and are typically moved only from front to back on the same side. While regular tire rotation helps equalize wear, it's only half the equation for optimal tire health and vehicle handling. Even perfectly rotated tires won't perform their best if your wheels aren't properly aligned. This is where wheel alignment comes into play, correcting the angles of your tires to ensure they meet the road at the correct orientation. Wheel alignment refers to adjusting the suspension components so that your wheels are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the ground. There are three primary angles technicians focus on: camber, caster, and toe. Camber is the inward or outward tilt of the tire when viewed from the front. Caster is the angle of the steering axis. Toe is the most critical for tire wear, referring to how much the front of the tires points inward or outward relative to each other. You might need a wheel alignment if you notice your car pulling to one side, an off-center steering wheel, or excessive vibration. Even uneven tire wear, despite regular rotation, can be a clear indicator of alignment issues. Hitting a pothole, bumping a curb, or even just the gradual wear and tear of suspension components can throw your alignment off. Driving with misaligned wheels not only accelerates uneven tire wear, forcing you to replace tires prematurely, but it also compromises your vehicle's handling and safety. Poor alignment can lead to reduced steering response, making your car feel less stable, especially at higher speeds or during emergency maneuvers. It also negatively impacts fuel efficiency, as your engine works harder to overcome the resistance of improperly angled tires. Ultimately, consistent tire rotation and proper wheel alignment are fundamental pillars of responsible vehicle maintenance. They work hand in hand to ensure maximum tire life, optimal fuel economy, and most importantly, a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Make these services a regular part of your vehicle's care routine and enjoy the long-term benefits for both your wallet and your peace of mind.